2 easy cream cheese dips. Dip 1, jalapeno pepper spread. For this dip, you will need cream cheese, mayonnaise, green chilies, jalapeno peppers, Parmesan cheese, and desired dippers. I went with crackers. The first step is to combine the cream cheese and the mayonnaise in a large mixing bowl. Stir the mixture until smooth. If your mixture is very stiff, you'll probably want to use an electric mixer. Once smooth, add the green chilies and the jalapenos. Stir again, and once the peppers are fully incorporated into the cream cheese mixture, transfer your dip to a microwave-safe bowl. I used a baking dish. You could use a wider, more shallow dish if you like. Sprinkle the Parmesan all over the top. Microwave on 100% power for 4 minutes or until hot. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Dip 2, baked onion dip. For this dip, you will need frozen chopped onions that have been thawed, drained, and squeezed, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, and ground cayenne pepper, and of course chips for serving. In a large bowl, combine the onions, the cream cheese, 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, and cayenne pepper. Mix until smooth. Transfer to a baking dish. I chose a pie plate. Bake uncovered at 450 degrees for 20 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.